This is the instrument cluster used in 2008 to 2010 Ford Super Duty trucks. Over the years, these clusters have been known to cause problems for truck owners, and it's only a matter of time before these issues appear as the modules are susceptible to age-related failures. Today, we're going to walk you through the proper diagnosis of a faulty gauge cluster and show you how to get back on the road quickly. The most common symptoms of a faulty instrument cluster include an odometer or information display that no longer functions, gauges that become stuck, inaccurate, or unresponsive, or an instrument cluster that is completely dead or works only intermittently. These issues can be more than just an inconvenience. The instrument cluster provides critical real-time data such as vehicle speed, engine temperature, fuel level, warning indicators, and system alerts. When this information is missing or unreliable, it can make everyday driving frustrating and potentially unsafe as you're unable to accurately monitor the vehicle's operating conditions or respond to warning lights in a timely manner. Even though brand new replacements are currently available, they can be quite expensive and will require additional programming to ensure your vehicle's information is retained. In addition, the replacement modules use the same faulty components as the original cluster. At Circuit Board Medics, we offer an affordable repair service for these modules that will make your cluster function better than new. Not only will we fix your current issues, we'll also address all known failure points to prevent any further problems down the road. This is a complete plug-and-play solution that will preserve your mileage and require no programming. If you're having issues with your cluster and would like to have it repaired, you can visit our website at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.